Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Bong Tourer. Today we are at Kasyong, the second day and the first morning at the Nirvana retreat. We are heading towards Aholdara. That supposedly a very, very, very nice viewpoint, gives a 360-degree view of the Himalayas. And then on our way back, we would also try to check the orange orchard. We started a bit late today morning because of a very nice breakfast setup, and due to the 17-hour journey almost yesterday. That way we got a bit late. It's already close to 1 o'clock. So we hope we would reach Aholdara sometime around 2 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock. Uh, I don't know about the road conditions, but I'll of course we will explore as we go through. Hello everyone. So we have finally reached the top of Aholdara. This is the 360-degree view that everybody keeps talking about. So as far as you can see, it's like a carpet of hills all around. Such a wonderful view. And if we can go right to the top up there, then we would get the real 360. We could not see that, but other than that, the wind and the carpet of hills, that's fantastic. Right at the bottom there's the Hamro homestay. That's the only homestay here with basic facilities where you can stay. That's almost all about Aholdara, and now we will go on our way to the orange orchard. second day at Karsiang is it took us some time to get out of the hotel. So we went out of the hotel and drove all the way up to Aholdara. Now it takes about 1.5 hours, 2 hours, almost 2 hours, and the road is not good. Not very bad all throughout, but definitely not good. And then from Aholdara gives a lovely, breathtaking view of the entire surroundings of all the hills. However, I could not find 360-degree view, so it seems to be a 270-ish. There are a couple of homestays in Aholdara, and once that was done, we came down about 2 kilometers further away from the side of Karsiang. So this is all opposite to where the route we would take to go back. And then we came to the orange orchard. There are, it seems, only a few houses, families with their orchards. They do not let you enter the orchards for free. They let you enter at a cost of 50 rupees. But other than that, you can of course take the pictures from the road and everything. So that's but it's pretty much basic. It's over a period of 200 meters on the road, and that's it. Nowhere else did I see orange. Today the weather was spectacular, so we could do quite a bit in terms of Aholdara orange orchard. We will go back, see if we can get to Dow Hill Church. That's the name ki? Dow Hill Church. And if we get some time, and if the baby doesn't get cranky, and Aholdara, Aholdara, there are 3 parking spots, one at the bottom, one in the middle, and one right at the top. The right at the top is front of a food shop that can take a maximum of 3 Tata Sumos, so 3 of these bigger cars. The one in the middle can take about 6 of the bigger cars, and the one below can take about 10ish. Now what's there right at the bottom, if you start going up, it's full of dust. It's pure off-road. So if you do not have a 4x4, and if you are not very confident of your car's capacity and the way that you can climb it, then it's best to keep at the bottom. I could not take it up all the way to the top because there were not enough parking spots, so it was pretty much on the side of that climbing path, and I did not like it. So I kept it in the middle. So I had the best 2 tires on the front that I did this time during servicing. So it worked okay, pretty comfortably. However, halfway I did it alone because my wife got a bit afraid. So I did it alone. I let them go. I did it alone, but it did quite comfortably. There are a couple of spots which are full of dust where you'll have absolutely zero traction, and those are the places where you have got to be a bit careful. Try to avoid them. Go half through the wall of the road and something like that. But some way you can manage it. I'm sure you can. So that is it for now. We will take the return from Aholdara to to Karsiang now. Tonight is at Nirvana retreat again in Karsiang, and tomorrow will be all the way from Karsiang to Kalimpong, Suits Garden Retreat.